come with me to record my debut EP here in sunny California. I live in New York City, so coming out here to record it has been such a incredible experience. We started out with my song Sirius Star, which is about my family house back in Pennsylvania, and here's a clip of me rehearsing it before we recorded it. And then we let it rip in the studio, and here's me trying to channel all my folk goddess queens. And then we did Oh No, which is the first song I ever really wrote, and here's a clip of that as well.